Let me quickly show you how you can create this animation. First, create new project. We'd use gradient background. You can play with any combo. I have already uploaded my image into Canva. I will bring them to my design. Go to Elements and search for rectangle shape. Duplicate into 3 parts. Then assign all elements with 1 rectangle. Ground them like this. Do this for other 2 elements as well. Go to Layers and adjust it like this. Now right-click and duplicate the layer. After that, remove the elements like this and zoom in the first element. Again, duplicate and bring your second element. Finally, do this for the third elements as well. Go to Transition and select Match and Move. Click on Duration tab to enable Playhead.